For me, being on the Hannover Messe is super inspiring.
Energizing and humbling.
It's a great event. It's really nice to be here.
Truly amazing atmosphere.
To connect with everyone who is like-minded.
The world gathers here. This is the place where the future is now.
Today we're celebrating the Microsoft Intelligent Manufacturing Award here at Hannover Messe. It is the award for innovative manufacturing in EMEA.
MIMA honors the most advanced use cases in intelligent operations. It makes innovation visible and transferable across the industry.
Dear MIMA winners and finalists, it is great to be here to celebrate the winners of the Microsoft Intelligent Manufacturing Award in partnership with Roland Berger.
Today we're going to celebrate the teams that are moving the boundaries of manufacturing.
The transformation, the innovation that is being driven here is going to be felt worldwide for the next many years.
We go from food production to automotive supplier industry. We go from energy production and optimization to digital twins.
The type of use cases that not only have been ideated, but actually executed, implemented, and to the point that we are actually seeing great results are very impressive.
We are doing this the 7th time. Alessandra, welcome and congrats. Please join us here.
Thank you, congratulations. Congratulations.
Congrats. The SME Award, small and medium-sized enterprises, which we have introduced this year.
We have also created a new subcategory for the Middle East region.
Unfortunately, they couldn't make it. We're going to take a picture with the award, just the two of us, and we're going to ship it to them.
For the overall winner, please join us at the stage.
Congrats. Your award is waiting for you.
It's really great for us to have won the MIMA award.
Winning the MIMA means really a lot for me and my team because it honors all the passion and dedication we have put into that.
Well, for us it's incredible.
This event, this place is truly amazing.
MIMA makes it crystal clear that we have the technology, the assets and the culture at hand in order to master current economic challenges and volatility.